Good morning. Well, wait, this bridge is empty. Let's go find where's the other guy. Want to come? Good girl. Let's go see. Where's Rossi? There he is. What you doing there, buddy?